Hello friends, welcome back to Trishanish Handmade. I hope you're all doing good. In today's video, I'm going to make a triangular pouch using patchwork cloth of same color. It's quite interesting that at the end we will get samosa or pyramid shaped purse. We want two pieces each of main fabric and lining fabric with measurement 20 by 20 centimeters. You can take different colors of the main fabric. A zipper and a handle piece of measurement 11 by 6 centimeter. Keep the main fabric on the surface and place the zipper on the main fabric so that the runner faces the main fabric. Place the lining on the zipper. Make sure right side of lining and main fabric faces each other and stitch this. I have attached the zipper here. Now bring the lining and the main fabric towards one side. Keep the second piece of main fabric on the zipper. Please make sure that right side of these two pieces should face each other. Turn it and place one more lining fabric on the zipper as I am doing in the video. Here I have used two different colors of lining fabric. These I got as a cut pieces of 20 centimeters each. After arranging this, we need to stitch on this. I have stitched the second pieces of lining and the main fabric to the zipper. Let's make the handle piece. Double fold the handle piece and stitch on two sides. Fold the handle piece in the shape of loop. Retain single piece of fabric in one side and attach the handle piece on it. We can give 2 or 3 stitches on this. Here I have attached the handle piece to the main fabric. Now we need to bring the lining fabric towards one side and the main fabric to another side. Arrange it neatly and stitch on both the sides to join the ends. Here I have stitched both sides and came perfectly. Now fold the stitched cloth in such a way that the joined sides of main fabric and the lining faces the zipper. Once we fold this neatly, we need to stitch it from one end to other end. Please make sure that the join line of the main fabric and the lining should be in line with the zipper. Otherwise, our purse won't get the samosa shape. Now, cut the excess zipper, fabric or the thread. This will give the neat finish inside the purse. Hold the another part of the purse as I am doing in the video. We are not joining the lining and main fabric here. Take the main fabric and lining separately. Stitch the main fabric completely. And for the lining fabric, stitch only half portion, leaving a gap. This gap is to turn the purse right side out. I have joined the fabric here and left a small gap. If there is any excess zip or fabric, please cut at this point. Now we can pull the cloth outside through the gap which we left earlier. I have turned the purse right side out. Now we need to take the lining cloth outside. Fold the gap neatly and give a stitch on it. Now our purse is stitched completely. Insert the lining inside neatly. Here we have our beautiful triangular purse. This looks like samosa, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please press on like button, share with your friends and provide a comment. I'm happy to have your comments and interested to share new ideas with you. I would request you all to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you for watching.